Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today we are going to learn how to sort and filter data. Whether you are working with sales data, list, or any large data set, sorting and filtering help you organize and analyze information quickly. Let's get started. Let's start with sorting data. Now let's click on this particular. I have list of information, the database of some students, and then I would like to sort this. If you look at this list of names very well, it is actually not in alphabetical order, and so I want it to be in alphabetical order. Okay, so that's what I want to do, and for me to make it become alphabetical order, I will just need to sort. Okay, so I'll just click on few of the cells, and then I will go to data. This is sort, and so I go to sort, expand the selection, meaning I want everything on that column. If I click on this continue with the current selection, it means it's going to capture only number 1 to 6 based on what I've selected, but I only selected that few. I actually wanted to expand the selection, so I'm going to leave it as expand the selection, and then I click on sort. Then I come here. So how do I want to sort? Look at this drop down arrow. I want to sort by names, so I want to sort by name. I want to see, let me just leave this one as value, except if you want to sort by color or see other things there, color, font, or icon, but I actually want to sort by value, and then I want to sort from A to Z. All right, so I click on OK. Have you seen? So it has sorted the name, even rearranged the admission number. Can you see? So I now have the name in alphabetical order. All right, so that's how to do sorting. You go from, after you have selected the range of cells you want to sort, you go to data, and then you will see sort. The next one we want to talk about is the filter. You will see it is very close to sort that we just did. So now let's talk about the filter. Let's talk about the filter. Now I want to filter some information. How do I mean? I want to hide some information so I can see some information. So let me quickly show us how to do that. I'm going to click on this range of cells. All right, and then I'll head straight to data, and then I'll click on filter. Now there's a drop down arrow there. All right, now let's click out. I want to see only the list of GSS1 students, so I'm going to come to this class, and then I'll click on this arrow. I'll uncheck everything and then come to check only GSS1 that I want to see, and then I'll click on OK. Can you see? So I'm not seeing the whole list again. I'm seeing the list of only GSS1 students. So let's say I want to check, okay, GSS1, GSS2, and GSS3, and then I'll come back here. I'll select GS2, GS3, and then I'll click on OK. Can you see? It has brought out the list of GSS1, 2, 3. But let's assume I want to check the gender column. All right, I want to check the number of male that I have. I'll just use this one. I'll uncheck select all. Let's say I want to check all females, and then I'll click on female alone. You first of all uncheck select all, and then you check the particular one you want. So I click on OK. So I have only the list of female. The same way I can do it for male, like that. And so that is how to do sorting and filtering. So if you are done checking whatever you want to check, you can return this back to its select all. Click on OK, and it's gone back to its original position. But this one remained organized or sorted alphabetically. So this brings us to the end of this particular video today. Do well to subscribe, share, and like this video so you can see more of it. See you in the next video. Thank you.